Hey everyone, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to dive into a data type called number and explore its three types: int, float, and complex. Before we get started, I recommended subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon. And make sure to set it to all so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and leave a comment. It really helps keep me motivated. To get a clearer understanding, let's head over to the laptop and continue the lesson. What's a number? Python has three main numeric data types: int, float, complex. What is an int? An int or integer is a positive or negative number with no decimal point, like these examples. You can run this code, and in terminal, you can see type of each variable. What is a float? A float or floating point number is a positive or negative number that has one or more decimal places, like these examples. You can run these codes and see the results in the terminal. It shows type of variables. You can also represent a float in scientific notation using an e to indicate the power of 10, like these lines. You can click on Run button and see the results. All of the variables have float data type. What is a complex number? Complex numbers in Python use a j to represent the imaginary part with a regular number as the real part, like these codes. If you run it, you can see the results in the terminal. All of the variables have complex data type. By the end of this video, you should now know what the number data type is and the different types it includes. Don't worry if you didn't fully grasp all of these concepts. This was just a quick intro. We'll dive deeper into them with examples in future videos. But if you still feel like you need more guidance to start your programming journey, feel free to ask me questions in comments or book a one-on-one consultation with me. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you want to support me in creating more content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and set it to all so you're always notified when a new video goes up. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me, and I do my best to read and respond to them. Until the next video, take care, friends.